Hey folks, let's break down this simple but powerful n8n workflow that handles webhook requests, checks conditions, and responds dynamically. Let's dive in. First, we have a webhook node. It listens at a unique path and waits for incoming HTTP requests. This could be from Messenger, a form, or any external app. Make sure it's set to response node so it doesn't reply immediately, but waits for your logic to run first. Next, the request goes into an if node. This checks a specific field from the incoming data, like user verified or type, to decide if the user is real or if some action should be taken. You'll want to set your condition in the node settings like equals true or whatever fits your case. If the condition passes, it moves to the webhook response node. This node sends the final reply back to the original webhook call, usually a message like user verified or action successful. You can even customize this with JSON data or a message string. And that's it. A clean webhook, logic, response workflow in n8n. Follow for more automation tips that save you time.